One summer morning, a traveler arrived at Zurich airport. He had dreamed of this country for years. As he stepped outside with his suitcase, a familiar face was waiting. Heidi.
Hello, welcome to Switzerland. I'm Heidi. Today, I will be your guide.
Traveler Heidi. I used to hear your stories as a child. It's incredible to see you here.
Yes, here I am. Come with me. I'll show you the real Switzerland, the mountains, the lakes, the villages, and of course, the food.
Traveler. Wonderful. Let's begin. Heidi and the traveler drive to the foot of the Alps. Through the window, breathtaking views appear. Traveler, look at those mountains. The peaks touch the clouds.
Heidi, these are the Alps, the heart of Switzerland. In summer, they are covered with green meadows, and in winter, snow turns them into a fairy tale. People come here for skiing, hiking, and peace.
Traveler, the mountain air is so fresh. I feel like my lungs are reborn.
Heidi, in the Alps, culture and nature live together. Farmers bring their cows here. Do you hear those sounds? They are the cowbells.
The sound of bells can be heard. Traveler, it's magical, like I'm inside a storybook.
Alps, the famous mountains of Switzerland. Peak, the top of a mountain. Meadow, a field with grass and flowers. Cowbell, a bell worn by cows. Mountain air, fresh air from the mountains. Heidi, repeat after me. Alps, peak, meadow, cowbell, mountain air. Traveler, Alps, peak, meadow, cowbell, mountain air.
They arrive at Lake Geneva. The surface reflects the blue sky, and boats glide across the water.
Heidi, this is Lake Geneva, one of the largest lakes in Europe. People come here for boat rides, music festivals, or simply to relax by the water.
Traveler, the color of the water is amazing. It looks like a painting.
Heidi, now let's go to a small mountain village near Interlaken.
They walk through a fairy tale village with wooden houses and balconies full of flowers. Traveler, these houses are adorable, like something from a dream.
Heidi, yes, this is the soul of Switzerland. People live close to nature here. In the morning, they milk cows and drink fresh milk. Lake, a large body of water. Village, a small town in the countryside. Wooden house, a house made of wood. Boat, a vehicle that floats on water. Nature, the world of plants, animals, and landscapes. Heidi, repeat. Lake, village, wooden house, boat, nature.
They arrive at the Zeitglocke clock tower in Bern. The tower is tall and majestic.
Heidi, this is the Zeitglocke clock tower. It was built in the 13th century. Every hour, the bells ring and little figures move. It's one of Bern's treasures.
Traveler, impressive. It feels like history is alive here.
Heidi, now we are in Lucerne. This is the Chapel Bridge. Built in the 14th century, it's one of the oldest wooden bridges in the world. Inside, there are paintings that tell Switzerland's history.
Traveler walks across, amazed by the artwork. They board the Glacier Express. The train has wide windows, showing valleys, tunnels, and snowy peaks. Traveler, this view is unbelievable. Valleys, tunnels, snowy mountains, all in one journey.
Heidi, that's why this train is famous worldwide. It takes 8 hours, crossing hundreds of bridges and many tunnels. You see the deepest valleys of the Alps.
Traveler, I've never seen anything like this. Every second is like a photograph. They sit in a cozy Swiss cafe. On the table, fondue, hot chocolate, cheese, and desserts.
Heidi, this is the heart of Swiss culture, the food. This is fondue, melted cheese, eaten with bread.
Traveler tries it. Amazing. The cheese is strong but delicious.
Heidi, and this is hot chocolate. Our chocolate is world famous. You must taste it.
Traveler. Delicious. And these desserts look like art.
Heidi, yes, in Switzerland, food is more than just eating. It's part of our tradition and joy.
At sunset, they walk by the lake. The sky turns orange and pink.
Heidi, today I showed you Switzerland's mountains, lakes, history, and flavors. I hope you learned new words and felt the beauty of my country.
Traveler. Yes, I will never forget this journey. The Alps, the villages, the bridges, and the food, and of course the English words I learned. Thank you, Heidi.
Heidi, every journey teaches us something new. When you return to Switzerland, I will be here waiting.
And so the journey ended. Switzerland was not just a country, but a story that touched the heart.